Python call my AWS Lambda from code with boto3 error. In my project I have to create a Py that call a Lambda function passing body parameters. I write this code. But when response run, this error is generated. Invalid request content exception, an error occurred. Invalid request content exception, when calling the invoke operation, could not parse request body into JSON. Unrecognized token AWS6ICI5 max access Nujadol Jigsaw Boxed 2V0 BNCN91 CC5 Jigsaw Messi 5 NB29 V29 Tayu Jamachki C6 ICM3 Tilji 2 Oj Pudrov Satsajuri Jamachfi Jogajum Intipujum 6 Inchu 6 Ndo the 6 Ndo Ks 1 Ho EFG 9 NCN V6 MO4 EBOB 3 Vihulsum 9 was expecting true, false or null, at source, VIAT 4587098D, line 1, column 481. What this mean? Many thanks in advance.
The error is because of the following parameter. From the docs. Client context, string. Using the client context you can pass client-specific information to the Lambda function you are invoking. You can then process the client information in your Lambda function as you choose, through the context variable. For an example of a client context JSON, see Put events in the Amazon Mobile Analytics API reference and user guide. The client context JSON must be base 64 encoded, and has a maximum size of 3583 bytes. You do not need the client context parameter here at all. Simply invoke as follows.
If you want to see more, please consider supporting